Hi, this is Jesse Walter with Model Technology Solutions, and in this video we're going to use Microsoft Defender for Identity to discover the resources specific users have access to in your environment. Let's dig in. There are several ways to access Defender for Identity and to investigate users. The most common way now is to go through the portal, cloudappsecurity.com. Here on my dashboard, you can see that I have 15 users to investigate. This information is based on any investigation priority that Microsoft has analyzed and collected over the past week. On the left, I can expand the menu. I can also go to Investigate and select Users and Accounts. And now I can click on Investigation Priority to sort. The higher the number, the more at risk a potential user. And we can go over to the right, click on Actions, and we can do a number of things here, including view the user page, view any related activity, or alerts that may have been generated by any user action. Here we see an alert that was generated by my account. I can mark that as a false positive, benign, or true positive. But first I want to dig into the alert a little bit more. So I click on there. And we'll see that it was generated as I was attempting to connect our Azure Active Directory to ServiceNow for single sign-on. Going back to users and accounts, I'm going to view my user page. Here we can see exactly why my investigation priority score is much higher than the rest of the organization, as the weight given to the unusual addition of credentials to an OAuth app is 35, very high. In this example, since there is an unusual addition of credentials to the OAuth app, I could go and confirm the user compromised, or I can go to the account settings in Azure Active Directory and revoke all current sessions, forcing this user to have to log in again. Now, as I know that this was not a malicious activity, I can go to the alert and under Actions, close it as benign. For more information on how you can track your identity profiles and limit access to sensitive information, please contact us at www.model-technology.com.